Hello folks, Dave Schulke here with the Twin Home Experts. Wanted to go ahead and offer you a case study when it comes to that fungus that just eats that wood right up. So let's get right to it. All right, folks, so as you can see right here, we've got massive fungi growth just eating away at this entire exterior wall right here, along with all of this wood here, just completely eating away at the entire structure here. Now, if you go down further and to the right, you're going to see the treated wood, how none of the fungus grew into these areas right here. And they're all intact, and we're literally, several inches away. So again, this is a great case study showing and proving that even though you've got massive aggressive fungi growing inside a structure, it has really no effect on the pressure treated wood. So folks, there you go. So a couple of things for conclusion here is that you got to make sure that you remove the soil. We're going to go ahead and show you what that looks like, but remove the soil, bag it, and haul it out of here. The other factor is make sure you waterproof, so that way if any fungus comes from the soil back into the structure, you're actually stopping it. And then number two is to make sure that you use pressure treated wood. Well folks, hopefully this helped give you a little bit of insight on how to prevent that fungus and decaying of your home. As always, thanks for watching.